Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to set up recurring invoices in Wave. For clients that you bill regularly, setting up recurring invoice is going to save you a lot of time. And here's how to automate the process. First, when creating an invoice, you're going to add the standard customer and items details just like you would for a one-time invoice. Instead of clicking save and send, you want to select the option make recurring at the bottom of the invoice editor. This will open up the recurring invoice setting. In the recurring invoice setting, select how often you want the invoice to repeat. Could be weekly, monthly, or annually. You can also set a start date for when the invoice should begin generating and specify an end date if the invoice should stop after a certain number of cycles. Once that's done, save and activate the recurring invoice. Wave will automatically generate and send invoices based on the schedules that you've set. With recurring invoices, you never have to worry about forgetting to send an invoice to a regular client. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.